Make a great choice today with the 2018 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, brake assist, traction control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.